Every year I try and do a little demonstration garden for people who say I don't have enough room for a garden. And I know what they mean. A lot of people don't. They're in an apartment or they're like my daughter. I'm really thinking about my daughter with this one this year. She's got 2 boys, full-time job. She gets a ton of deer on the back property. And she ain't got any time for a garden, but she'd like to grow a few vegetables. So this is my one from last year. The oregano, as you can see, has lived right straight through. We're going to put in a homestead tomato. You can put any kind you like. I know you can always find homesteads. And we'll plant it a little bit deeper. Then, this is oregano. There's room for a basil right here. There'll be room for a basil right here. We're going to dig down. This is a Jupiter pepper. You can get a California Wonder. Be just as delightful. Be peppers that you know. So I'm going to put that in there. Then we're going to give it tomato cage. And a tomato cage. When I get the basils ready, we can put the basil in there. But there you are in about a 15-inch by 30-inch, I guess. You're going to get tomatoes, peppers, oregano with room for 2 kinds for basil. This is a great little garden for people who don't have room for a garden and still want a garden. So if you have no space, give this a try. Thank you for watching.